Good morning. My name is Michael Guadarrama, and I'm the founder and the CEO of Coegil. Thank you for joining me in this COVID-friendly presentation, and I hope you're as excited as I am about the opportunities in the year ahead. Now today, I want to talk about why data science is broken, why its return on investment is so poor, and how to make data science simple with Excel. Okay, let's get into it. Do you recognize this person? It's late at night, and he looks pretty frustrated. You might be wondering what he's working on. Turns out he has an important report to deliver in the morning. Maybe to his boss, maybe to a client. Everyone's expecting his analysis to be insightful, data-driven, and to shine a light on the path ahead. But the tech team has left for the day, and he encounters something we have all experienced. Excel hell. Your formulas are incomprehensible. You lost track of what those spreadsheets are doing. Your pivot table isn't producing the results you need, and your new data set is way too big. So Excel has been grinding away on F9 for the last hour, and you're resigned to the reality of a long night, alone, rebuilding your workbook from scratch. Do you recognize this person now? It's us. We've all been in this situation before. Probably still are. Now, these problems are not new. Complex analysis is difficult to do in spreadsheets. They weren't designed for it. And working with large data sets is time consuming in Excel. Sometimes it's even impossible. And the alternatives are not much better. Big data and cloud tools are complex to set up, really expensive to operate, and oftentimes overpowered for most analytical tasks. So, if you don't have an army of data scientists, and you haven't spent millions of dollars on your own data infrastructure, then you're pretty much out of luck. Well, not anymore though. Coegil is an integrated solution that turns spreadsheets into a prediction pipeline overnight, so you can extract insights from your data. We give you the tools to harness the data in seconds. You save time working with large spreadsheets, use your data warehouse, or integrate with outside data sources. We make data science easy. You quickly analyze your data, fit machine learning models, and make predictions with confidence. And we give you everything you need to explore your results. You can produce insightful dashboards, use our built-in explorers to interact with your data, and collaborate with your remote team anytime, anywhere. With Coegil, you get 6 different products in one integrated package, so you don't waste time tabbing from one application to another or spending a fortune. And you get the expertise you need when you need it. Let us take care of the data science challenges you have so you can focus on the fun stuff. We are a data science as a service company focused on helping teams overcome their challenges with data. Our product is built on a best-in-class foundation, so you know it's secure and built to meet your high standards today and into the future. And we know, because we have built and used these systems at some of the most successful firms on Wall Street. We take quality, security, and robustness as a commitment we cannot break. And it's really easy to get started. You can create an account in less than 10 seconds and start doing some data science. So now let's see Coegil in action. We'll walk you through a few use cases. So first we're going to show you how to create a quick dashboard, then do some data science in a notebook, and then lastly, interact with a database. Here, we're going to take a spreadsheet and in seconds create a dashboard. With our built-in charting tool, there's nothing you need to install to start sharing your data with your team. All you have to do is simply drag and drop your spreadsheet, and we take care of the rest for you. Here we are. Now we're loading some data. Now we're going to start making it look pretty. And we give you everything you need to bring your data to life. Great. Now we're going to save this dashboard and show you how easy it is to refresh it and get back into it, which is really ideal when you have a remote team. There you go. In less than a minute, you can build a multi-tab, multi-chart dashboard to share your data with your team anywhere, anytime, on any device. Now, let's do some machine learning. Using that same spreadsheet, we can launch a data science session in the cloud. and this is really cool. Behind the scenes, we're creating a compute instance just for you. All you have to do is tell us the configuration, and we'll take care of the rest. We'll load all the standard libraries for data analysis and machine learning. We'll connect your session to your data lake and make sure everything's secure and locked down. And this all happens in seconds. Now you can access your data in any format through our API. And here we're loading that spreadsheet, displaying some records. And now we're going to replicate that chart that we just made. There you go. That's it. We also let you convert your spreadsheets into a database with just a button click. This is really nice, and this is really cool. Behind the scenes, we are turning that spreadsheet into a database, our database table, creating a database on the fly, figuring out what you need. You can store your data in MySQL, SQL Server, Oracle, RDS, Redshift, Athena, any data store that's available in the cloud, we support. We also give you a built-in query explorer to view your data, and that way you can export your results when you're ready. And it's kind of nice. We give you a helper to let you create the SQL. And here we are. Now we're going to export the data to Excel. Now you're back to your standard analytical process. And this is just a tip of the iceberg of what Coegil can do for you. It shows how easy it is for anyone to start extracting insights from their data. And if you need a hand, our team of data engineers and scientists are available around the clock to help. Once again, Coegil offers an integrated suite of data science tools and expertise needed for data wrangling, modeling, and sharing your results, whether you're a hardcore data scientist or a spreadsheet user. Coegil is simple to use, uncompromising for experts, and made for remote teams. It's the only solution you need to start making great data-driven decisions. Now, let's take a look at Coegil in action with two real clients. Now, this team makes bids on loan portfolios. They perform credit default analysis and loan valuation in their spreadsheets. It used to take them 6 weeks to come up with a price for a $100 million portfolio. Now, they want to make bids on large portfolios with data sets that are just too big for Excel. So in about a day, we took their complex formulas and sheets and created a prediction pipeline for them. Now, they can make bids on billion-dollar portfolios. They've reduced their pricing cycle time to seconds, and they work on multiple deals simultaneously. And this all happened without having to hire a team of data scientists. This firm is doing what we all want to do: understand the impact of the COVID pandemic on their market. They were manually downloading data from multiple sites, manually aligning it, and then building a simple one-factor regression to predict impact. It was a huge waste of time, and the model results were meaningless. Again, in about a day, we built feed handlers to pull data from over 10 different data sources, including some in-house systems, and built a data pipeline to make sure their analysts had the most up-to-date data each morning. We also helped them use more powerful machine learning classifiers and regression models. And then ultimately, we built a signal generation pipeline so their decision makers are getting actionable insights throughout the day. This happened in a matter of minutes, and within a matter of minutes, you get the same capability. So with Coegil, you save days preparing your data sets for modeling, and you can automate routine data processing. You can easily build machine learning models with our pre-configured data science environments. So you can spend more time exploring your results from any device, anytime, and anywhere. And most importantly, you stay competitive, using the best data science tools and expertise in the market, but at a fraction of the cost. So what's the result to you? You generate more business value from your data, and you stay in control of your data science return on investment. Finally, getting started with us is really easy. You can sign up today at coegil.com or reach out to us at sales@coegil.com, and we'll be happy to give you a private demo and come up with a proposal to meet your unique needs. And that's Coegil, where we make data science simplified. Thank you.